Hey guys, what's up? It's time to do a speed test comparison between the Vivo V19 versus the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9s. And the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9s is powered by Snapdragon 720G chipset with 6GB of RAM, while the Vivo V19 is powered by a Snapdragon 712 chipset with 8GB of RAM. So very interesting to see who is perform faster and who is best for you. And also both phones give you a quad cameras on the back, as you can see. And also Xiaomi Redmi Note 9s, it is a lot cheaper phone than the Vivo V19, especially in Pakistan market. So let's see who is going to be the fastest one, and let's find out in this video. And guys, both phones are just completely off, so now let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. Here we go. Logo came up first on the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9s, followed by the Vivo V19. And very interesting to see who is perform better in this speed test. And both phones is running on Android 10. We have a MIUI 11 on the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9s, and you can see Redmi Note 9s, it is faster when it comes to booting up, while still Vivo V19, now it is also done about 4 or 5 second difference there between these two devices. And guys, you can see that both phones give you a very beautiful display. We have a full HD Super AMOLED display on the Vivo V19, and also we have a dual cameras on the front, and you can see inside this punch hole, while the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9s give you a full HD IPS LCD display, but also we have a single camera on the front inside of this punch hole. So now let's see the app's opening speed. Everything is closed up in the background, and you can see no app is running in the background, and also same Wi-Fi network on both phones. First application we have is the phone dialer, and you can see that is about the same on both phones, no difference there. Let's see the settings on both phones, and that is again about the same on both phones. Very surprising result that we got in the settings. The mic lock on both phones, and that is huge faster on the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9s, followed by the Vivo V19. We have my files faster on the Vivo V19, super faster there. Amazon shopping on both phones, and let's see who is faster there. And you can see that the Vivo V19, it is super faster there, while the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9s, now it is also done. So now let's see the scrolling, and you can see it's very smooth on both phones, no lag whatsoever. Now let's see the Snapchat, that is little bit faster on the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9s. Instagram, that is faster on the Vivo V19, little bit faster there, I have to say, not a huge difference in the system based application apps. So now let's notice some games application, and first on the list is the Candy Crush Saga, and let's see how much a difference between a Snapdragon 720G versus a Snapdragon 712. And you can see Snapdragon 720G powered Xiaomi Redmi Note 9s, it is faster there, while the Vivo V19 is also right behind there. Subway Surfer on both phones, you can see that is again faster on the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9s. Definitely Snapdragon 720G, it is a lot faster than the Snapdragon 712 inside the Vivo V19. Last game application we have is the Temple Run 2, and let's see who is faster there. And seems like the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9s, it is a little bit faster. Yes, it is a little bit faster than the Vivo V19, and the Snapdragon 712, it is not as fast as the Snapdragon 720G inside the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9s. And also Vivo V19, it is a lot expensive phone than the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9s, especially in Pakistan market. Spotify, and about the same on both phones. Zedge on both phones, and you can see that is about the same on both phones. I have to say, you guys are the judge of the speed test. Let's opening up the Twitter. Faster on the Vivo V19 this time, I believe. Yes, it is faster there. And last time I'm launching the cameras on both phones, default camera app, and that is faster on the Vivo V19, followed by the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9s. Now let's check out the internet browsing speed. I am using default Vivo internet browser on the Vivo V19 versus a Google Chrome on the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9s, because we don't have any Xiaomi internet browser on the Xiaomi devices. Wikipedia.org, and you can see that is super faster on the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9s, followed by the Vivo V19. Now let's see the scrolling. You can see it's very smooth on both phones, no lag whatsoever. Same thing with zooming in and out. Next on the list is the gsmarena.com, and let's see who is faster there. And you can see that the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9s it is faster there, while the Vivo V19 it is also a little bit slow, about 1 second difference there between these two devices. So now let's see the scrolling. In case if it's very smooth on both phones, you don't have any issues regarding the smoothness in the scrolling. Now let's check out the RAM management on both phones. We have a 6 GB of RAM on the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9s versus a 8 GB of RAM on the Vivo V19. So very interesting to see who is performed better in the RAM management. And phone dialer, no refresh. Settings, again no refresh. My clock, same result. My files, Amazon shopping, Snapchat, Instagram. Let's see the Candy Crush Saga, no refresh. Subway Surfer, no refresh. Let's see the Temper and 2. Again no refresh on both phones. Both phones perform really good. Spotify, that is also not refresh. Zedge, let's see the Twitter, that is also not refreshed. And last we are back to the internet browser where we left, in case that is also not refreshed on both phones. Overall I have to say that the app's opening speed it is definitely a little bit faster on the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9s, although this phone is a lot cheaper than the Vivo V19. RAM management is absolutely incredible on both phones, not much difference when it comes to RAM management. I'm really impressed by the performance of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9s. This is a beast phone in this price range. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9s versus the Vivo V19. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well. Let me know what kind of more videos that you guys want to see regarding the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9s and the Vivo V19, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.